would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now?
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're tackling a deep cleaning of our living room, and honestly, it is so long overdue. As a mom of 3 girls, this room gets used constantly. It's where we relax, we watch movies, we play games, the kids build forts all the time, and somehow every toy, blanket, book, and random little item eventually ends up here. And I always try to keep up with like day-to-day tidying, as you guys see on my Instagram and my other YouTube videos, but every once in a while this space needs a proper reset. So today's deep clean is going to include picking everything up, vacuuming, moving furniture, vacuuming underneath the couch, which is always an adventure, and giving the couch itself a really good clean because it's definitely seen better days lately. I don't know about anyone else's house, but underneath our couch somehow becomes a treasure chest of hair ties, tiny toys, socks, and so many crumbs. It was disgusting. It's actually really gross, and things that I didn't even realize were missing. There is something though that is so satisfying about taking the extra time to clean the areas that usually get skipped during a regular tidy up. It just instantly makes the whole room feel more fresh and more peaceful, and then I know that it's not actually disgusting under the couch where we sit. I'm going to put on some music, work my way through everything, and just enjoy having a clean, cozy space again by the end of this cleaning. If you are cleaning along with me today, I hope that this gives you some motivation to tackle a space that you've been putting off. And if you're new here, hi, I'm a mom of 3 girls sharing realistic motherhood, home, and everyday life. So let's get this living room back in order, ladies.
All these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light. Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me.
friends. It is the next day. I don't know how long or short the video from yesterday is because it is the next day and I haven't edited it yet, but I figured it would be too short. So I thought I'd just film now. It is really late in the day. It's 2:07 and I am bored out of my dang mind when my kids are not here. It's so funny because sometimes with the chaos and the noise of having the girls home, I'm like, oh, it'll be so nice to have tomorrow just to chill and do whatever. And then when I am chilling for like an hour, I'm like, okay, I'm done. I want my kids back. But I edited a YouTube video that took me all morning, basically. It's finally done, so you will have already seen it. It was basically kind of an example of some of the things that I'm eating and just talking about my progress on the metabolic balance program. And I just wanted to say that I don't want to do all my content on weight loss and stuff like that because I don't think that's obviously the most important thing. The only reason that I'm sharing it is because if anybody out there is struggling or has been struggling for a long time and you don't want to use a GLP-1, this is something that you can do, and it's amazing, and it's literally changed my life. And it's not a diet because it's real food. I don't have to count macros. I do have to weigh my food because I have to have so much of, you know, the different proteins, carbs, and fats. But I don't have to log it into an app. I literally just weigh it and then eat it. And I have a variety of food and I feel so incredible that I just wanted to share it. But if you guys are sick of it and you're bored of it, feel free to comment down below and I will stop talking about it. It's just I want to help people, so that's why I wanted to share it. But I'm so excited. I got a baking book in the mail. I'm so excited. This Brittany Breaks Bread, Brittany Brown Chamberlain, is huge on Instagram and TikTok, and I found her baking book, like her cookbook, and I bought it for my mom too because I was so excited because we love to bake. So in the next few next few videos from my channel, I'm gonna be sharing some baked goods and I'm so excited. This portion of the video you are seeing is after I picked up the 3 girls from school, and this is the first time in the day that I'm able to tackle emptying the dishwasher. Usually I do this in the morning and then it's completely empty for like day dishes and nighttime dishes. But because I was busy this morning, I'm just doing it now. And I don't know about anybody else, but I will be so happy when the kids are done school. Our kids in Ontario, Canada, actually next week is their last week of school. They have 4 days left. Today is June 21st. So our kids go to school right through till the end of June and they don't go back until September. So my kids are off all of July and all of August, and then they go back in September, which I know is complete opposite of most of you in the United States. So leave a comment down below if your kids are the same, or do your kids get June and July off and go back in August, which is such a strange concept to me. But I'm sure you're thinking the same thing. It's so strange that your kids are at school in June. So it's just funny how different parts of the world do things differently. But anyways, I will be so happy to not have to rush in the morning. And I genuinely hate doing like the unpacking of the lunches at night. It is my least favorite thing because I'm like, I already have dishes from dinner and now I got to go through their backpacks and empty all of that and put more dishes in the dishwasher. It is actually my least favorite chore. So I will be very happy to be rid of that in the summer because it's just not something that I enjoy. So watch me clean up a little bit and then I'm going to show you what we have for dinner.
All the good things, was it better than I ever thought it was? I want more.
about these Costco chicken strips that are already cooked is you can just add it to any sauce for some extra protein. So now instead of pasta with cheese sauce, it's a chicken pasta with cheese sauce, and it just gives more protein. We've got some broccoli steaming in here, and this is protein pasta as well. Obviously I cannot have the sauce, but I am going to have some of this chicken. I have leftover of the gluten-free ramen noodles from Costco, so I'm going to throw the chicken in here with some broccoli, some garlic, some seasoning, some olive oil, and maybe, oh no, I can't do cheese. No, I think just olive oil and some herbs, so I'll show you that after. I'm so glad you like it. Just finished dinner and I'm looking at my new cookbook, and the blueberry pancake muffins look so good, so I'm just writing out a grocery list because we're hosting this weekend for Father's Day, so I need to make a few things. But these look so good.